Welcome back, it's game day, so let's make some wings, some lemon pepper wings. Since my wings have been pre-seasoned overnight, let's start by adding some flour to a bowl, and we're going to season that flour with some black pepper, seasoned salt, and lots of lemon pepper seasoning. Let's give the flour and seasonings a nice good mix so that everything can be incorporated nicely, and we're going to add our wings to that flour, one wing at a time. These wings have been seasoned overnight with my favorite spices and lots of lemon pepper, and also been soaked in lots of buttermilk. Go ahead and add your wings to the seasoned flour and give them a good coating. There's no rushing to this part of the process. Go ahead and take your time, make sure the wings are coated evenly. But whilst you're getting that done, go ahead and get some oil preheated so that your oil can be nice and hot once those wings are good and ready. To the hot oil, go ahead and add your wings, one wing at a time, and be careful because that oil is hot. Let's fry those wings until they're nice and golden on each side. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. One side's ready, so let's go ahead and flip the wings over to the other side so that side as well can cook to a golden color. And you'll notice that these wings are a nice golden color, and that's because buttermilk was added to them at the beginning. For those wings, I used the regular store-bought buttermilk. However, you can make your own buttermilk type mixture at home by adding some milk to your seasoned flour, but adding enough milk that it becomes a liquid consistency, something looking like the actual buttermilk that you would purchase from the store. Nice, golden, and crunchy. So I'm going to melt some honey so that it flows more easily, and that honey will be used to be drizzled over the wings. And there you have it, some crispy, golden, lemon pepper honey wings. Drizzle with some honey, and that honey is going to add a tiny bit of sweetness to your wings. Go ahead and garnish with some green scallions. It's game day, y'all. Try it and let me know what you think.